Welcome to the world of blockchain technology. A revolutionary system that is set to change the way we conduct business and handle transactions. In simple terms, a blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each block on the chain contains a list of transactions and a unique code, called a hash, that links it to the previous block. This creates a chain of blocks that cannot be tampered with or altered. It is constantly being updated and verified by its users, making it incredibly secure and tamper-proof. One of the most well-known applications of blockchain technology is the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency that uses blockchain technology to record and verify transactions. But the potential uses of blockchain technology go far beyond just digital currency. In the world of finance, blockchain technology can be used to speed up and streamline processes such as clearing and settling trades. It can also be used to improve the security of online transactions and reduce the risk of fraud. Banks and financial institutions are already exploring ways to integrate blockchain technology into their systems to improve efficiency and reduce costs. In the supply chain industry, blockchain technology can be used to track the movement of goods and materials, making the supply chain more transparent and efficient. This can help reduce fraud and improve accountability throughout the entire supply chain. Companies can use blockchain to track goods from the point of origin to the point of consumption, making it easier to identify any issues or problems that may arise. In the healthcare industry, blockchain technology can be used to securely store and share patient medical records, making it easier for doctors and healthcare providers to access important information about their patients. This can help improve patient care and treatment, as well as reduce errors and inefficiencies in the healthcare system. Blockchain technology can also be used in voting systems, to create a tamper-proof and transparent way to conduct elections. This can increase voter confidence and reduce the risk of election fraud. The possibilities are endless with blockchain technology, and we are only just scratching the surface of what it can do. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we conduct business and handle transactions, making them faster, more secure, and more efficient. It's an exciting time to be a part of the world of blockchain technology, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. With the increasing adoption of blockchain technology, it's important to understand the basics of it and its potential implications for various industries.